A male with two spears coming towards us.
On the 7th of March 2022, Constables Maree Scott and Shannon Chmielewski responded to a domestic violence call in Grey, a suburb of Palmerston in the Northern Territory. As they commenced their investigation, the attention of the officers was drawn by concerned members of the public to a man wielding two weapons. In the distance, the sound of a man's agitated voice grew louder, indicating his approach toward the officers. The individual was later identified as Peter Skeen, 20 years old. Skeen advanced towards the officers brandishing a spear, disregarding their commands to drop the weapon. In response to the imminent threat, Constable Chmielewski discharged 6 rounds, striking Skeen 3 times, while his colleague, Senior Constable Scott, simultaneously deployed her taser, narrowly missing Skeen.
More. Nice. That's a big cause
Shirt.
there again.
Look at the shirt, it's got blood on it.
Good morning. Hey?
There's a bloke walking around with a spear in that last fucking thing over there, right? Literally.
Is he bleeding?
No, but he's fucking serious. It's a fucking spear. Yeah. I'm not kidding, it's a fucking serious spear. Yeah. And he's actually holding like a...
Where in Victoria Flats?
Yeah. The ones that are at the back there, the grey ones. He should be walking through with his gate now, you look.
Maree? Yeah.
Drop the spears, buddy! Hey! Drop the spears! Press the button.
VKM 424, we need assistance on Victoria Drive. We have a male with 2 spears coming towards us. We're near the Victoria Drive. Drop the spears! No! 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 Drop it! 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 Jesus! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Victoria Drive, we need help! Oh, fuck! No, just call an ambulance. We just shot a bloke. Call an ambulance.
Following the altercation, Peter Skeen was transported to the hospital where he survived his injuries from the gunshot wounds. Subsequently, he was charged with assault police ×2 and going armed in public. Peter Skeen has pleaded not guilty to his charges. The case continues in the Darwin local court. Thanks for watching.